Hello, sir, and hello, dear friends. My name is Mizoram from Northeast India, Mizoram. I have enrolled in 2021 test series. This test series has helped me a lot in learning the syllabus. Sometimes when I find it difficult to go through the textbook and read the PDF file, I learned from the test series because the test series contains not only the questions and answer but also a brief detailed explanation and necessary information for the question. And regarding this channel contains a lot of information from a beginner's guide to an advanced. So if you are a true aspirant, I would suggest you to enroll in the test series and subscribe this channel. Wishing you all the best for the UPSC exam. Thank you.